Follow the simple steps explained in this tutorial to create your own version of this fragmented circle graphic. Start off by selecting the circle shape with the hole in the middle. Resize both height and width to 12 centimeters. Then adjust the width of the circle band by moving the yellow dot which appears when clicking on the shape. Next, select a rectangular shape and place it over the circle. The wider you make this shape, the bigger the gaps between your circle fragments will be. For easy handling, the rectangle should be longer than the circle. Select both shapes and make sure they are aligned in the middle. Now duplicate the shape and under Rotate, select Rotate by 90 degrees. Place the shape in the vertical center of the circle and make sure both shapes are aligned in the center. Duplicate the rectangle again and make sure it is well aligned with the previous one. Then go to Rotate and click on More Rotate options. In the menu appearing on the right side, type in a rotation value of 45 degrees. Duplicate the rectangle which you just rotated and make sure both are aligned. Then, go to Rotate and select Flip Vertical in the appearing dropdown. Select all shapes on the slide, go to Shape Format and then Merge Shapes. Now click on Fragment. Delete all the fragments in the middle of the circle, as well as the remnants of the rectangles which segment the circle. For the very small fragments in the middle, it is easiest if you select them all and delete at once. To finalize the shape, select all circle fragments. Remove the outline and go to Arrange to group all elements. With all circle elements grouped, you can still color them individually. The grouping, however, allows for easy moving and resizing of the whole graphic. Choose the colors based on your personal preferences or brand colors. And there, you have your final graphic, which can serve as a versatile element when creating slides and infographics. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.